traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, just like I've been saying for what seems like months now, I definitely am still calling this a wave A back here. Definitely still looks like three waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and I still believe this is all going to be a big uptrend, which I think is a wave C. I think it's most likely an expanding flat wave C, but it could possibly turn into a running flat wave C. Running flat would make a lower low, expanding flat would make a higher high of these previous highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this uptrend right here as a wave 1. I still think this is a WXY of a wave 2. I think we're already in that wave 3, and I think all the pushes down are just subdivisions of that wave 3 of an expanding or a running flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame, man, we had a big push up last week on Friday, non-farm payroll, and boy, it definitely looks like the end of a cut. And I was almost kind of thinking this move up could turn into like a wave B, and this could be a wave A. But that looks way, way, way too strong to be a wave B. So I would for sure be looking for pullback entries on shorter time frames. I would be looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Most likely, like I was explaining on the weekly, all just subdivisions of a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we had a big push up, big break of structure last week. This was the break of structure that I was waiting for that was going to turn me into becoming a buyer. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement on this big push up right here. I don't really think I would try to go long right now, but I definitely am looking for longs. I'm looking for three-way pullbacks to go long. Fibonacci bounces, three waves back, ABC corrections to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. I mean, there's definitely a chance that this is an expanding flat right here and it just keeps on going up from now. It doesn't even have to make like a big proper pullback, but it definitely looks like five waves. One, two, three, four, and this probably is a wave 5 right here. If that is a wave 5, then more than likely it's going to make a more proper looking pullback, a more proper A, B, C correction, probably at least down to the 38 and the 50. I honestly wouldn't even be surprised if it went all the way down here because this top right here may end up becoming a bottom. You know, tops become bottoms, bottom become tops. So I definitely am primarily focused on looking for longs. I'm not going to go short, you know, thinking that it's going to definitely go down to one of these fib levels because it definitely does not have to. It easily could just keep on going up. But if and when it makes a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce, I will definitely be ready to pull the trigger again to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.